Hello, my name is Liz Quinlan, and I am a zoo archaeologist, also known as an animal archaeologist. Archaeologists study objects left in the ground by past cultures in order to learn more about how life was in the past. Some of us study pots made out of metal or clay, coins, clothing, and tools. And some of us, like me, study animal bones. The reason we study animal bones is because humans have always been close with animals, whether there are pets, farm animals, or a source of food. So any place where traces of the past can be found, called an archaeological site, might have animal bones that were put there by humans, whether the site is 100 years old or a million years old. I'm currently a PhD researcher, meaning I spend my days in a science laboratory, working in order to earn my PhD. A PhD is a special school degree that means you've created your own big research project, tested different theories with experiments, and told others all about what you've discovered. After that, you're a doctor or an expert. The project I'm working on is about a type of fish called salmon. You might have tried it before. People have been eating salmon for thousands of years, but I'm interested in people who ate salmon during the medieval time period, from about 500 to 1500. I'm doing a lot of scientific research and experiments involving salmon bones, all of which tell me more about the environment that the salmon lived in when they were alive, before the people from the medieval times ate them for dinner. A lot of my work involves looking at fish bones that are collected from the ground at different archaeological sites and trying to figure out what kind of fish they belong to using skeletons. I've traveled to different countries to collect fish bones from museums, universities, and archaeological sites to include in my work. This means I'll be able to compare the results I get from fish bones here in England, which is where I live, to fish bones collected from the Netherlands, Denmark, and Scotland. These countries all surround a big body of water called the North Sea, which was an important source of fish as well as a means of traveling from these different cultures to new places. People brought languages, tools, food, and art across the North Sea from the countries that I'm studying, and I'm hoping that by learning how they used salmon, we can understand more about their lives and culture.